their Damascus razor, and I gotta say I am very happy with it. I've only gotten 2 razors so far, but from what I'm able to tell, this one is really, really nice, and I'm really enjoying shaving with it. Always gives a nice close shave, and I can't complain about it. The steel is really nice, the handle's comfortable, and I would definitely recommend getting this if you're either looking to collect or for a first razor.